Hey guys, it's Jessica Higdon and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create Facebook applications for your fan page. Now this is what a Facebook app is. If you do not have a fan page, make sure that you stop this video, go create a fan page. There's plenty of tutorial videos and courses on how to do that. Go create a fan page and then come back and rewatch this video, because if you do this without having a fan page, you're going to get a little confused. So this is only for people with fan pages. If you have one, welcome, and let's continue. So I am going to show you how to create these things down here. Now, what are they? These are applications that you can put right under the banner of your fan page, that when people come to your fan page, they can actually click on these and get access to different trainings. You can capture leads. You can create sales from this. You can actually sell products through these. And there's just a lot of cool different things you can do with them. Another reason that they're so important is because if somebody comes to your fan page and sees that you don't have something like this, you're going to look unprofessional. So it's really important that you have these, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create these with this cool new free tool that I found. So super simple. Let's get started. Let's just look at what one of them does real quick. So if I click on this, and I'm just someone random that fell on my fan page, and I decide, you know what? I want to look at Facebook tips and training. I know Jess is known for Facebook, and let me go there. So if I clicked on that, this is actually what I would see. Now, without this toolbox, because I'm going to show you how to create the fan page with this toolbox, but because I'm logged in, it just shows this, but this wouldn't be here, okay, if I weren't actually logged into my thing. So what people see when they click on this is this cool page, and I just input the video there. They can try. I put a button down here for what I wanted to sell, or what I wanted people to see. So when people click on this, they're taken to the URL I want them to see, and here's the video that they can watch. So number one, if I wasn't logged in, people would have to like my fan page to get here. Okay, so that's one thing I'll show you, and also this captures leads when I send them to this button down here. And there's ways that you can capture leads directly on the page, but this is how I wanted it set up. So this is just one example of how that would look. Pretty neat. So again, if you don't have these on the bottom of your fan page, it's very important that you get them, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Here's another one I have. If you click on this, you'll see that this takes people directly to our live event, Top Earner Academy, that we're doing. And it shows a little video. It's going to take a little bit to load, but that's what it does. So you can send people to these pages. Again, they wouldn't see this toolbox. It's because I'm logged in with the tool to create these. But this is what people would see. So it has the headline at the top, a video by Ray explaining our event, and then they can click here and get details on the event. Pretty cool. So these are just a few different things you can do with these. You can send traffic directly to this site, and Facebook loves that because it's within Facebook. You can send traffic directly to your fan page, and when you get likes and things, you'll actually have people go to that bottom application when they look at your stuff and say, hey, you know what, I want to know about her live events, or I want to know how to create custom Facebook apps. Let me play this video, or I want Facebook training. So it's really important to have these right here. So I'm actually going to create one right now for you using this tool that I found called 22 Social. Now this is an amazing tool. It's completely free. They actually have a free setup and also a pro setup, and I'm going to share with you the difference in what those do. But let's come here. So I'm going to go to my 22 Social. By the way, you can sign up for the 22 Social. There'll be a link below this video or somewhere on this page. So make sure you get that link, get signed up with this right away, because it's so cool. Watch how easy it is to create these awesome little apps right here. So I'm going to go to my 22 Social dashboard, and here are some pages that I've created already. But all I need to do to create another Facebook app is click Add Another Page. So I'm going to do that, and for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to create a Global Apps Network little application, and that's an affiliate program we use to get mobile leads and things like that, and how you can create your own mobile application, your own actual app. So I'm going to use that. I'm just going to select the fan page I want. If you're a pro member, you can have up to 10 fan pages. Pretty cool. So I'm going to select the fan page I want. I just want to do my regular Jessica Higdon page. Then I click Next. Now, when you sign up for 22 Social, it's already integrated into your Facebook. So you'll have these fan pages come up immediately because it's connected to your Facebook. So it's real easy. Click Next. Put in your phone number. Click Next. And this is the type of page that you want to create. So here, I could put direct sales network marketing and choose my company if I wanted to do that. Just for speed purposes, I'm going to select public figure so I don't have to go through that and then create page. So now what it's going to do, it's going to create a generic page for me with a template that I can edit. And it's so neat because I can just go right here, edit this in 3 minutes, literally. It might take me a little longer because I'm explaining everything to you, but literally in 3 minutes, I edit this and I'm good to go. I'm done. It's so neat. So let me show you here. Okay, so this is the page. It created for me. Now I can change this template if I want. They've got a few different templates. So I can change the layout. If I go up here to layout, I can make it like this, right? So let's just make it like this. And there you go. There's my page. So now one other cool thing you can do is edit all of this content. So let's go to edit content. And I'm going to edit the text, the header. It's going to say Global Apps Network. Okay, because that's the page we're wanting to do. So now I just click preview and look, it's right there. Now let's say I don't want this video in here because I don't, right? This is about global apps. I want to put a global apps video in there. All I do is go to text and media and I can put a photo in there, a YouTube. I can actually have a hangout, a live hangout going on and put the URL right here. So I can send people to my app when I want to do a hangout. How cool is that? So you can do that. You have all these different things. You can choose no media. But I want to do a YouTube video. So I've actually already picked one out that I want to use. And this is just Ray talking about global apps. So I'm going to click share right here and grab that URL. It's just the YouTube URL that it has. Let's see, where's my... And then I'm just going to copy that, paste it, change the header to say click here if you want more. Let's say click here if you for a free trial of global apps. And I don't want all this mumbo jumbo in here right now for time purposes. I'm just going to take that out and I'm going to click preview. Now let's see what happens. Look, there's my video, there's my title. Here's the button. Now, I don't want this to go to 22 Social. I want to change this to go to Global Apps. So I just click Edit Button. Now, what's cool about this is because I'm a pro member. Now, if you just have a free account, you don't get this. You can still create the pages, but you don't get this, and this is really neat. Because I'm a pro member, I can actually connect anybody that clicks on that button to my Aweber list. So I can go over here and say, you know what, I want them to go to this list right here. It connected directly to my Aweber. It's super simple to set up. And because this is on, that means that I have my Aweber connection on. If I turn this off, it means they just go to this URL and I don't capture their information. But let's just turn it on, okay? Now, I want the button to say Global Apps Trial. And then I'm going to put in the domain. I think this is... I think that's our affiliate link. I have no idea, but this is just for a demo purpose, right? So now I click preview. Now look at that. There's the button, there's the page. I would probably add a little more wording here if I had, more time and wanted to do that, but I don't want to right now. Another cool thing I can do at the bottom, I can click this. I can click the edit contact info and social links, and I can put in all my social links that I want to show up on the bottom. Right? So if I put in a website URL, workwithjess.com, let's click preview and see what happens. Look. So that came up at the bottom there. I can write another sentence for my headline. So just a lot of cool things you can do here. You can change it up. Let's see, I probably don't want, it puts my Facebook at the bottom so you can comment about the app. I think I want to change up the color, so I'm going to go to Style, and I can actually do that. So I can change the color. Just click this little button here. Let's say I want green, right? Click this green. Let's see what it looks like. See? So it'll change it to that. Or I can click in here. And I can change the text to white. So I can change this all around if I want to and just make it super funky, super cool. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. All I have to do is click Save. Changes were saved. Now, here's another cool feature. Do you guys know what a fan gate is? Well, I can put up a fan gate. So I can say, I want you to like, you have to like my page in order to see the training that I do on how to get mobile apps and how to get leads from mobile apps. So what I can do is I can actually put in photos, and it'll come up with timeline photos, cover photos. Let's look at cover photos. So if I click photos, cover photos, and just it says like us to see how to get leads with mobile apps. Okay, or whatever you want to put there. Now preview. Look what it does. It flashes all of my cover photos so that when people go to that app, they have to like us first in order to see that content. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to enable that. I can disable it so that it just sends them directly to content, but I'm going to enable that. Okay. And now people have to like us to see that little video page we created. So I'm going to click Save. Now it's saved again. Perfect. Now this is connected to your Facebook. It's already connected. You're done. You've created it. So if you go to My Pages, you can see it down here. Here's Global Apps Network. Here's the link that you can send people directly to it. But let's just go directly to my Facebook fan page and see where it's at. Okay. It's not going to be right at the top. It's right here. So there it is. If you click on it, it's going to go to the global apps page we just created. But wait, we have to edit this because this image, this isn't a good image, right? It just comes up with a generic image. Well, one of the pains that I've had is trying to find an image that fits Facebook's guidelines, that looks nice, that you can fit up here and has information, right? So all I have to do to edit this image is find an image that works with Facebook. Well, 22 Social actually has images that you can use. So if I go back here, let's click Help and then Resources. Here are all the images, they come up on the first page, that I can use to do this. So it also teaches you how to do it if you want to create your own image, but I'm just going to use their generic images because they're so cool. Let's see, what do I want to use here? How about let's do watch video, okay? So I'm going to use this one, so I'm just going to right click, save image, save it as watch video app image, okay? Save. Now let's go back. I want to edit this, right? So I just click this little button here. Edit settings. I want the tab name to say Global Apps Network. Change the image. Edit. And I'm just going to upload that picture I just saved on my desktop. Let's see, where is it? Watch video app image, open. And there you go. There you go. Now we're almost done. Let me go back to my fan page here. Look at that. Now what if I want this to show up? Oop. What if I want this to show up right here? Because right now I have to click this in order to see it, right? Well, there it is. Look, it's actually corresponded directly to my Facebook. All I have to do to switch these is go edit, and let's say I want to switch it with custom Facebook apps. So I want to swap the position. Look, now it's up here. People can see it as soon as they get here. And there you go. That's how simple it is to create it. It took a little longer because I had to explain the steps, but usually it takes me roughly 3 minutes to create that. So just a really neat tool. If we click it, let's see what happens. There you go. So this is what people see. We just created this, and that's it. So now obviously I would change this here, and I'll do this after this video, but if you want to learn how to get this actual tool, which is so simple and cool to use, just go to the link somewhere on this page, and we'll show you how to use that, or you can email us, and it's just super neat. So thanks for watching this video. You guys have a great day.